it again. Where is it now?
This is Lola. She's got a tick. We're gonna take it off with the spinning method. It's on the other side. Gonna spin the butt. Much better. Good job, soul son. Can't believe it's hanging on that long. So, oh, there it goes. Pick it up, pick it up. Oh. There it goes. Alive and intact. Good job. Good job, Lola. Good job, Susan. Is it moving? Yeah, see, it's moving around. And that's all you gotta do. Just spin them by the butt and they back out. Woohoo! Say hi.
Me and my tick.
Hey, Lola.